Hello students, कैसे हो? This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. CBSE has already published their sample question paper for the subject painting of class 10 having code number 049. आज हम इस सैंपल पेपर को सॉल्व करेंगे, तो चलते हैं। Time duration 2 hours. Total marks 30. All the questions have been divided into 3 sections. Section A contains 8 MCQs and you have to attempt all the 8 MCQs. Each question will carry 1 mark. Section B contains 5 questions and each question will carry 2 marks. You have to attempt all the 5 questions, but there is an alternate question for each question. अर्थात हर प्रश्न पर एक विकल्प प्रश्न है, सो चिंता करने का कोई बात नहीं. Section C contains 3 questions and you have to attempt only 2. Each question will carry 6 marks. पर यहाँ कोई विकल्प प्रश्न नहीं है. Section A, question number 1. Select the right answer from the given options. A brush is made up of 4 main parts. The answer is bristles, ferrule, crimp and handle. B. To give more importance and attract the viewer's interest, the artist creates a focal point. This is referred to as emphasis. The right answer is emphasis. Poster colors are basically used on. Answer is 3, a variety of paper. Pencils are made up of graphite and cast with wooden casting. The blacker and softer the lead, the bigger is the numbering of the pencil. The answer is 2. Madhubani paintings are characterized by eye-catching floral patterns and two-dimensional imagery, mostly depicting deities, human beings, and their association with nature. Shading cannot be created by clay modeling. The answer is clay modeling. Palettes are made from non-absorbent materials like varnished wood, porcelain, and plastic, so that they do not absorb colors. Which of the following does not define painting technique? The answer is 1. Tertiary. Section B, short answer type questions. Question number 2. How can you differentiate between shapes and forms? Give 2 examples. Here is the answer. There is an alternate question. What do you understand by symmetrical and abstract shape? Here is the answer. These are some of the illustrations of shape, form, symmetrical shapes and abstract shapes. Question number 3 says, our rich cultural heritage teaches us to live harmoniously with nature and build monuments without harming Mother Earth. Explain with example of vertical excavation in this context. The answer is Kailasnath Temple of Ellora. There is an alternate question which says, which colors are used in the fresco paintings of Ajanta caves? Explain how these colors are nature friendly. Here you have to write the colors used in the fresco paintings of Ajanta caves. Question number 4. Art is a powerful visual language that can express a lot even through simple geometrical shapes as seen in a popular folk style. According to you, with the help of lines, what kind of visuals or images can be created by them? Give 2 examples. The 2 examples are Madhubani paintings and Worli paintings. There is an alternate question. According to you, what are the advantages of pencil colors as a medium for your art? What has been your experience while using them for your artwork? Here is the answer. This is the 2 pictures of Kailasnath Temple, Ellora, Maharashtra. There are some illustrations of Madhubani paintings, Worli paintings and colored pencils. Question number 5. Identify and explain any 2 types of paper used for painting and what medium can be used on them. Answer is cartridge paper and pastel paper. There is an alternate question. Here you have to write the 2 properties of color. Question number 6. Identify and explain any 2 elements of art which help you to experience movement and rhythm in the painting. Also, justify how movement and rhythm enhance the artwork. Here is the answer. There is an alternate question. Differentiate between neutral and monochrome colors. These are the pictures on the 3 properties of color. Painting showing rhythm. Movement is shown using arrows. These are the pictures of neutral colors and monochrome colors. Section C. Question number 7. These are the long answer type questions. Question 7. Where has the national emblem has been taken from? Symbolically describe the 4 lions sitting back to back on the Ashokan capital. Also, throw light on what do chakra animals' wheels on the abacus and the inverted lotus under it symbolize. Here is the answer. These are the illustrations on the lion capital of Sarnath. Question number 8 says, how do you feel connected with the folk art of your region, native place, nearby city or state? When and why it is made? Explain the method and materials used for creating it and how is it similar or different from Worli or Madhubani art. Here I am explaining Madhubani painting as it is very common in my region or state. These are the 3 pictures of Madhubani painting. Question number 9, and this is the last question. Observe the painting carefully and explain where is this painting from and how is it made? How successful has the artist been in reflecting a compassionate, pure, and caring prince? What does the blue lotus bud symbolize in this painting? Here is the answer. For any further detail, please contact me at my mail ID and YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If there is any doubt or query, please put a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.